guys, welcome to In the Kitchen with Galavante, where we bring the world home to you. And today we are going to show you my favorite trick in the kitchen to make a grand seafood platter. You do not need those tiered towers that you see in the restaurants to do this, because all you need are 3 dishes that you could pick up in your kitchen, 2 martini glasses, and some clear packing tape. Yes, that is all you need to make those beautiful seafood towers. This is the ultimate MacGyver power move, and it takes less than 4 minutes. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to pick out which dish is going to be your bottom tier, and it's usually the one that's your heaviest and most stable. And then you're going to take your second dish that's going to be in the middle, and you're going to flip it around and place your martini glass right side up, right in the center of the dish. And then you're going to tape it down with your clear packing tape. And you want to use enough tape, but you don't want to use too much because you're still going to have to take this apart. But you have to use enough so that as the ice is melting on your seafood tower, you're able to make sure that the tier stays stable. But then you're going to take this and you're going to flip it over and you're going to place it right in the center of your base dish. And guess what? You're going to take your packing tape and you're going to tape it down. It's seriously as simple as this, and look already how beautiful your seafood tier looks. Third tier, this is usually where I put my caviar, and then I place shrimp cocktail around the top because it looks really pretty. Once again, you're going to take this, you're going to flip it over, and in the center, right side up, place your martini glass and tape it down. Then you're going to take this and you're going to flip it over. Tape your martini glass to that second dish. And voila, guys. In less than 4 minutes, you have yourself a seafood tower that you could fill with all of the crab, lobster, oysters to your heart's delight. This is super impressive when you bring this out as a first course, because as you know, eating is not just about how it tastes, it's about how it looks and how it smells. And really how it looks is what sets the whole entire first impression of your meal. This is gonna make you look like a culinary god or goddess. So here you go, the Galavante Seafood Tower. Thanks so much for joining us in the kitchen with Galavante, and we'll look forward to showing you more of our tricks in the kitchen.